is Bliss. If you're new tuning in, warm welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by. So this is my wash day. I have finished washing my hair. So this is what my hair looks like after just your regular shampoo and condition, deep treatment mess. This is the result from that. So anyway, you guys, I want to share with you what do I do after I wash my hair. So pretty much I do the Lco method. So tools that I use are combs, pick, products you use, cream of your choice. I'm using As I Am black Jamaican castor oil as my oil, and of course I'm using some Dew Grow, specifically that for my scalp. I do have a spray bottle water that I'll use. However, my hair is still dripping wet, so I'm going to move very fast. Now, typically I do not use a parting comb, but for the sake of today's video, I guess I'll use a parting comb. Now, I like to detangle my hair or comb out my hair with a pick. It's just easier for me. I don't recommend that. Use whatever you typically use to comb out your hair. So hair is already wet, so no need to add the water. I went in with my As I Am double butter cream, and I am just applying that toward my ends all the way to the shaft of my hair. After I do that, I'm going in with my Jamaican black castor oil, and pretty much, you guys, I'm just trying to seal in the moisture into my hair. So I apply a little the oil to the ends as well and work my way up to the shaft. You can do the praying method and then go in and twist your hair, braid your hair, whatever you typically do. I normally just put little twists all over my head, so that's what you guys see me doing here. Now, I know the product is sitting on top of my strands, but keep in mind I did use quite a bit of it, but my hair will soak it up, so I'm not even tripping. So going in again, comb down my hair, going in with the double butter, then I'll go in with the Jamaican black castor oil again, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my ends, work my way up doing the praying method, and then I'll go ahead and I'll do a twist. Now, you guys, the Jamaican black castor oil was the only oil I had on hand besides the Dew Grow. I only like using the Dew Grow personally on my scalp, not necessarily my hair, because my hair seems to shrink up that Dew Grow pretty quickly. So the same thing that I did on my left side, your right, is the same thing I'm going to do on the opposite side. Okay, so I'm going to separate my hair into two sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the pick and comb out my hair to make sure we're tangled free here. And then I'm going to go in with the double butter, starting from my ends, working my way up, and then I'll go back in again with that Jamaican black castor oil, and then I'll go ahead and twist it. Now, you guys, I kind of skipped a bit because I did not want to overwhelm you with the repetitive same thing over and over and over. So that's why it appeared I missed a step, but I absolutely did not. I did speed up this video as well because, again, y'all, like, I can watch for a little bit and then I'm done, so I did not want to overwhelm you guys with an extreme long drawn out video. But the process was the same throughout my hair. Now, as you guys can see, that's that very back of my head that requires a lot of healing, so that's why that looked the way that it does. But progress is definitely in full effect, and I look forward to the future to see the progress. So going in, same process, double butter, Jamaican black castor oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist the hair. Same thing again and again and again and again. You guys, I really like the double butter. I cannot front. My hair seems to like it too. This is a product by As I Am. I've always wanted to try, so I was so excited when I finally worked up the nerve to go ahead and purchase this product. So again, twisting it down, doing the very back, same as you can see there, my problem area. And I don't even want to call it a problem. My hair just needs some healing back there. And so now I'm going in with the Dew Grow. I'm applying that directly to my scalp, just so I won't have an itchy scalp. And my hair seems to like it. My scalp seems to like it. It's a very light oil. So I'm just going in throughout my head, applying this oil and giving it just a quick massage. Okay. Okay, so once I have done all of that, that's what we're looking like right now. And so I'm just going to go in with the silk bonnet. And you guys, I will show you what we're working with in the morning. Okay, so this is the very next day. And so, taking off this bonnet. And bam, this is what she's looking like. She looks very moisturized. Okay, she look real curved. And so basically I would keep my hair like this for the whole week. This is how I wear my hair underneath my units. And at the end of the week, I'll take these down, bathe her down again, retwist her up again, and we'll continue this cycle for now. Hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one. Smooches.